In this video, we will cover inventory shipping to another warehouse in the same company in Axacute. To ship an item requested by another warehouse, at the homepage, click on the Outgoing button. Select TO Shipping. At the Transfer Order Shipping page, select the shipping warehouse. Click on the Search button to select the transfer order to receive. By entering keyword that return relevant search result, the list of the orders can be narrowed down. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all open transfer order lines yet to be shipped. You can then proceed to select the corresponding line to ship. In the shipping page, first, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the outbound shipping location. Scan the lot number barcode label on the item to enter the lot number. By setting up a unit of measure conversion earlier in Axacute, you can use an alternate unit of measure to ship the item. A success message will be prompted after the shipping is completed. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have shipped. Thank you for watching this video.